Rated by Forbes.com as the best for ease of use, Contractor Foreman makes it easy for you to manage all aspects of your company. Whether you are a new startup or a large company that has been around for decades, we've got you covered. From estimating to change orders, time cards to daily logs, online payments to job costing, and everything in between, we have the tools you need to manage your company more easily and efficiently at a price you can afford. With plans starting at $49 a month, it is the most affordable and complete award-winning solution to manage all aspects of your company and is a tool you can grow into instead of out of. Use one module or use them all. It's still the best deal around. There is no risk to getting started and you are never on your own. Our 30-day free trial includes award-winning training and support for free, and our 100-day money-back guarantee is unmatched by anyone else. Built by contractors for contractors, you will quickly learn why Contractor Foreman is loved by contractors in more than 75 countries, and it is rated as the best value and top app for subcontractors, general contractors, and trade contractors by Capterra, SoftwareAdvice, G2, and many more. So what are you waiting for? Join the thousands of contractors who are already using Contractor Foreman.